Roads Naval Museum. Hampton Roads, Battleship, Wisconsin. Check it out.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, good there.
All right, thank you.
Ooh. See, you can do a free craft and you can make a spyglass like a pirate. That's pretty cool. Okay. Some really cool stuff in here. Norfolk in the Revolution. Hey folks, stop the video and zoom in if you want to read this stuff. I'm not going to push it. I'll try to stall as much as I can. Sorry. I wonder if you guys can hear this. Nah, probably not. Check this out. Look at this thing. Basically just a tube with gunpowder stuff in it. Amazing. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. Again, if you want to read any of this, pause it and zoom in. Very cool. Look at those pipes. Huh. This is a great experience. So the museum was free. The battleship's gonna run you about 20 bucks. They do give a military discount. They do give veterans discount and a senior discount. It's 10%. I don't believe they have any other discounts, but it is worth the price. I'm gonna come right over top of you guys right here, so you don't have to lean or anything. I just wanna get this really quick. Thank you very much. There's a high step there. Oh, look at this. What the heck? Ah, that's cool. Interesting. So you spin the wheel and it tells you what happened with the ship. That's pretty cool. Very awesome. Not quite. Oh, I see what they're doing there. They're melting right here. Look at that. That is so cool. Melting the iron. That's excuse me. Wow, here is a World War II. Yep. That is the USS. Oh, there it is. Sainty. Interesting. Now that was flying back then. That's what's nice about helicopters. Helicopters are always flying because they don't want to be in the sky. So it's always a challenge to fly them. Planes are easy. Jets are easy. Can't understand why people like jet pilots. Helicopter pilots are better. Check that out. So my grandfather flew those. Only not off the boat. He was in the Army Air Corps, so. All right, it seems that I'm doing this all wrong, so I'm gonna start at this time on
I really follow politics of the war too much. My dad really did, my brother did, but I really didn't make that connection. I was looking at, I was selfishly looking at saying, what can the Navy teach me that would help me in the future?
Oh, interesting. An interactive map here, which is kind of cool. Southwest Asia. Look at that flight jacket. Oh yeah. That. Too much. So my son Logan, check this out. That is insane. And look at that thing. And goes this one. That here is what they are. Look at that. Very cool.
Not that big, similar to that.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. That is a kukri. Nice. Oh, my brother flew. Of course, they don't have what I've flown here. Prisoner war camp. So we use a tap code to talk to each other in these camps. Similar to the codes that airborne use with the clickers to identify each other when they landed on the ground. Look at that. Well, here you go again, son. Some more of your kind of thing. Oops, sorry about that. No, you're okay. You going high? Very awesome. All right. Let's see if I can get these right here. There you go. That's what I flew. Of course, there's never any pictures of them. Oh, there's another one. Yay. That is by far one of the best helicopters ever. CH-46. Replaced by the Osprey. And there is the 53. They call it something else, but I can't say it on YouTube because they will ban the video. But it starts with a SH. There's another letter and a T, and then an ER. That's what they used to call those things. Because they would dump fuel. When they burned the fuel, it would be black soot behind them that stunk. So that's why we call them that. And such glass, beautiful. We are done. That is awesome. And that concludes the video.